$4,000. And you go, $4,000, that's way too much. I'm just going to do it myself. So you're like, okay, I'm going to do it myself. What does doing it yourself actually look like? So a couple things to consider when you're going to be DIYing. One, do you have all the tools? Do you have a tile cutter? Do you have a wet tile, because it's a wet saw, right? And there's also a smaller dry saw for snapping them into the smaller pieces. Do you have that equipment? No, probably not. How much is it going to cost you to purchase it? That's a key factor. Can you borrow it? Is it a renting option that you can do? Look into that. How much is that going to cost you? Okay. So then do you have the skill set? Probably not. So then what are you going to need to watch and to learn and to play around with in order to get there? So it's also going to take you longer. So let's say the tiler quoted you $4,000 and he could be done in 3 days. How long is that going to take you to do? Because you work full time. I was doing